Hey everybody, today we're going to be learning the song Dark Side by Alan Walker. So first let me show you what are the chords that's being played in the song, and then I will play it along with the song itself. Okay, so the first is E minor chord. So look at this. This is the E minor chord. The notes are E, G, B, and it's in the root form. Okay, when I say the root form, it's because the E note is in the beginning, right? So it's E minor and it's in the root form. Okay, so E. And the second chord is D major, and that's also on the root form, if you noticed. And then we play C major, and that's also on the root form. And then we have a G major chord, but this is on the second inversion. Now look at this. First inversion of G major would be this, right? So I remove this and I put it to this side. That would be a first inversion. But then I remove this and I put it to the end. That becomes a second inversion. So basically we're going to be playing a second inversion. That's a G major chord. And then we would again play the D major chord. So that's about it for the chords. Okay, so now I'm going to be playing the song, and along with the song I'm going to play. Okay, just before I could do that, let me also show you. We're not going to be playing straight away as a chord, but then we're going to break it into smaller pieces. This is what we call as comping. Okay, C-O-M-P-I-N-G. So I'm going to be doing this comping. You get that? So let's do it. Hear this. So I'm going to be playing G and B together first, and then I play E. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 1, 2. You got that? Each one is played twice. So it goes 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But then for the G major chord, we played straight as a G chord and then a D chord. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat. Sorry. Then we play. You got it? So that's repeated twice. And then comes the chorus chords, okay? And at the chorus, we would be straight away playing it as tonight, to the dark side. So that would be the progression. The progression for the chords at the chorus is E minor, G major, C major, and D major. Now remember, we are playing this in the root form. And then G major we played in the second inversion, and then C major is also played on the second inversion. Now look at this, root inversion. Sorry, this is played on the first inversion. Okay, so this is played on the first inversion. So that is E minor chord, G major, first inversion, and then D major on the root inversion. Got that? So that's how we play the chords. And what about the left hand? The left hand basically plays the root note. Imagine if you're playing an E minor, you just play the E note. So if it's possible, you could double this by playing an octave like E and E. But if your fingers don't reach, then you can just play an E note. You got that? So, and that's what we're gonna try out for everything. Like all the So now I'm going to play it along with the song, and let's hear it. Okay, we're going to start now. 3, 4. Chorus. we go about playing the song. Okay, so I want you to practice it several times. I'm sure you're gonna get it. So there's basically the verse and the chorus, and then it's repeated. So if you know one verse and the chorus, you could do all of them, right? So that's about it. So you can practice it several times. Before you try to sing and play it, I would suggest that you learn to just play it once and then probably sing along with the track itself. And then depending on your pitch. Now just because you are able to play the chords and just because you're able to sing does not mean that both of your singing and your keyboard will come into sync. Yes, you can play it and sing it together, but what needs to sink in is the pitch. Okay, now if you notice, the original singer is a female. Now if I have to try to sing it, it may not fit into my pitch. So that's where we will learn how to transpose. We will transpose it to the chord, the key that will be convenient for each of us. Each of us have a unique voice. Like your range could be from here to here. Like imagine if you could sing from here to here, and another person would be able to sing from here to here. So another person. So each of us have our own range, and we need to know what our range is, and in that range we will be singing it. And for that we will learn what we call as transposition. So once you finish this, we will learn what is transposition. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much. Please practice, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.